Hello everyone, Colby Elmore here from Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. Today I want to tell you a little bit about this pre-owned piece of inventory we got in. This right here is a 2015 Leisure Travel Unity 24 TB. So this is the twin bed floor plan, built on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. So you have a 3.0 liter 6-cylinder diesel, single turbo, absolutely amazing platform to start on. Leisure Travel does an amazing job. These are basically the Ferraris of RVs right here. Very limited built, made out of Canada. Like I said, limited production. They're very focused on their quality control. Everything's very, very nice in here. The fit and finish, solid wood cabinetry, frameless tinted windows, fiberglass roof. This twin bed gives you an amazing storage compartment right here. Passes through the other side. Got a backup camera. I got a powered awning on this guy. And let's take a look at the inside, because this thing is an absolute diamond. They took very good care of this. Right when you walk in, go to the cab area right here where you have tons of room. Both these front seats will swivel around as well. You also get a table that mounts to right here. And you got these two little jumper seats. These jumper seats will make into a twin size bed as well. So you'd have a twin size bed across here. Solid surface countertops. This is real Corian. You see that logo right there, Corian. 2-burner stovetop. Big stainless steel round sink right there. Got a nice little trash chute right here. Nice little touch. Pull out TV. Like I said, there's all solid wood cabinetry, tons of storage throughout this guy. Have a nice skylight right here that does open, and you do have a screen and blinds in there as well. Nice pull-out pantry area here too. Got your good-sized fridge that is a 3-way, so you can run that off 12-volt shore power or gas power. Convection oven, microwave combo here. Twin bed split. These twin beds will come together, make about a king size bed if you want to as well. You also have a split bathroom floor plan, so your shower is right here. Got a nice shower curtain, skylight in there, full fiberglass insert. And then your toilet is right here. Solid surface countertops in the bathroom as well. This thing is absolutely amazing. Tons of storage in this back area too. If you have any questions about this coach or anything else Johnson RV carries, please reach out to someone on the team. We'd be happy to help you out. Thank you very much and have a great day.